In today's video, I'll show you how to share your HBO Max account. First, open your browser and go to the official HBO Max website. Make sure you're logged into your account. As you can see, if you're on the standard plan, you can stream on 2 devices at the same time. If you're on the premium plan, you can stream on 4 devices simultaneously. Based on your plan, decide how many people you want to share your account with. Next, click on your profile picture and select Manage Profiles. From here, you can create a new profile for another user. Choose an avatar, then enter a profile name. After that, select the birth date by entering the date, month, and year. You can also choose a gender if you want. Once everything is set, click Done. Finally, share your email and password with a person so they can log in and use their profile to watch HBO Max. And that's it. That's how you share HBO Max.